morning, class. We're going to have a new science lesson today. Raise your hand if you have the same colored eyes as your mom. Raise your hand if you have the same colored eyes that your mom has. Some of us may do, some of us don't. Okay? Raise your hand if you have the same color hair as your dad. Who has the same color hair as their dad? Okay. So you guys have similar traits to your parents, all right? Similar means that you look a lot alike, but not exactly alike, right? If I stood you up here with your parents, I could tell who you were and who your parents are. You're not exactly identical, you're similar, right? We might have the same eye color, we might have the same hair color, we might have the same shape of face or the same type of nose, but you're not identical to your parents, right? So I have a couple pictures here to help us understand what similar and identical means again. I have two balls here, and these balls, thumbs up if you think these balls are identical. Thumbs up if you think these balls are similar. Good, they're similar because they look a lot alike, right? But they're not completely identical, they're not the same. So what's a way they're similar, Gail?
They're both round.
They're both round. David, what's another way they're similar?
It looks like they have 3 dots on them.
3 dots on them? Yeah, these are kind of like, I think it's like the reflection. It seems to me like it's a shiny surface, and that's maybe like the light reflecting off of them. Yeah, it's got the 3 dots on them, maybe the light reflecting on them. Good, but they're not identical, right? What's the way they're different or not identical, Gail?
Their color is different.
Yeah, they're different colors. What else, David?
They're not the same size.
Yeah, they're different sizes. They're not the same size. So this would be an example of something that is similar, looks a lot alike, both round, both balls, both have the light reflection on them, but not completely identical. They're still different in some ways, right? What about these balls? Thumbs up if you think they're identical. Thumbs up if you think they're similar. Good, you guys are right again. These are identical balls. They look exactly the same. In fact, I took the same picture and copy-pasted it on my computer so I could show you that these are exactly the same balls. Good. So we have similar, a lot alike but not exactly alike, right? And we have identical. They are exactly alike. They look completely alike in every way. Okay, good. So we are similar to our parents, our mom and dad, right? And for science, when we talk about the children of our parents, we're going to talk about the offspring. So we all have parents, we all have a mom and dad. You may have different family at home. We all have different families, and that's okay. We might have grandmas at home, or grandpas, or aunts, or uncles, or cousins, or foster families. We all have different families at home. But for this, we're just going to talk about our parents, our mom and our dad, okay? And then those parents have offspring. They have us. Their children are their offspring. Okay, that might be a new word for you. We have offspring on the board. Those are just the children of our parents. Moms and dads have offspring. Thumbs up if we're understanding, we're all on the same page. In the middle if you're a little confused, and down if I've just completely lost you. Okay, looks like we're good to go. Awesome. So today we're going to talk a little bit about animal parents and their offspring. So we've observed our parents and ourselves, and we noticed that we are similar to our parents, right? So we're going to talk about, do you think that is this case? Do you think that's also true for other animals and their offspring? Thumbs up if you think it's going to be true for that too. Do you think animal offspring looks similar to their parents? Or do you think, no, not really, they're going to look totally different? Okay, we're going to make the prediction, looks like overall that you think it's also going to be similar. Let's find out, okay? We're going to observe some cats. So I have a couple kitties here. These are the parents. Here's Dad Kitty. And here's Mama Kitty. These are our parents. Okay? And we have an offspring. of our, oh, right on cue. I was hoping that our class pet would come show us the offspring, and it looks like she's gonna come do it. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, okay. So, those are our parents, and here's our class pet Peanut, and she is the offspring of our cat parents on the board. Say hi, Peanut. Meow. Hi. I'm gonna let Peanut down and let her do her thing. So for this, we can observe Peanut in our classroom, or if she decides she needs to go somewhere else. I also have a picture. I have a picture of her here. So there's Peanut, our class pet, and that's the offspring. That's right, good girl, you're our offspring. Okay, so looking at these pictures, what's something that you observe about our dad parent cat?
White.
White, there's white color. Okay. What else?
Long hair.
Okay, long hair, very long, right? What else?
Crabby face.
You kind of think it has that smashed in crabby face? Okay. So that's just a kind of look. Does it mean the cat's really mad?
No.
No, but it just kind of has that smashed in look. Okay. What else?
It's just one color.
It's just one color? Yeah, he's mostly one color.
She's got some points.
I can see a little bit color back here. What's this color, do you think?
Gray, maybe.
Yeah, there's a little bit of gray. So we can write down gray, but mostly one color, right? There's just, it might be kind of hard to tell with my photo, but there is a little bit of gray on it.
Dark ears.
And dark ears, okay, right, dark ears. So that's where the gray comes in. What shape are those ears?
Pointed.
Pointed. So if I draw a cat face, and I do that, that looks like cat ears, right? What shape is that?
Triangle.
Yeah, it's a triangle ears. So you can see triangle ears. Are my ears triangle ears? No. Are your ears triangle ears? No. But that's something a trait this particular parent has, is triangular shaped ears, right? Anything else you want to know?
Blue eyes.
Blue eyes, okay. Anything else? What about the tail? Is it long or short? Can you tell in that picture?
Looks long.
Yeah, it's a long tail. Okay. I think we have a pretty good list on there. Let's talk about our second cat parent. What's something you observe about this cat parent?
Shorter hair.
Okay, this one has short hair. Anything else?
Blue eyes.
Okay, blue eyes again. Dave, anything else?
Two colors.
Okay, there's two colors. What two colors are they?
It's like tan and
Okay,
dark brown, maybe.
tan and brown. Okay, good. Anything else?
Looks like his tail's long too.
Okay, that also has a long tail.
Can't really fit.
It kind of cut the picture off,
Yeah.
but it goes all the way from here to here, right? So
Right.
it's not like it's a short little tail up there.
No.
You can't see how long, but it's definitely not a short little nub. Anything else you want to note about our second cat parent, or mom cat?
Has pointed ears.
Okay, it also has pointed ears, right? That's something we can say about both cats, is they have the same shaped ears, right?
Have a dark face and a light chest.
Okay,
Contrast.
right, they have two different colors, tan and brown. The face is the darker part and the chest is the lighter part. Good. Anything else? Okay, good. I think we have a really good list. Okay, so let's talk about ways our offspring, Peanut, is similar to one or both of our parents. What's a way that Peanut is similar to a parent? Looks kind of alike.
To
Lo-
one parent?
Yeah, just pick one. Pick one trait. What's something you see?
Long hair.
Okay, long hair. Like which parent?
Dad.
Yeah. So our offspring has long hair like that. Right? Have that same kind of fluffy coat. What else?
Same color as mom.
Okay. Oh, interesting. So the hair is long like dad, but the color is mom's color, right? Good. What else?
Blue eyes.
Oh, blue eyes. Which one has blue eyes?
Both.
Yeah, they both have blue eyes. We can put blue eyes in the middle.
Pointed ears in the middle too.
They both have pointed ears. Right. Does our offspring look identical to either cat?
No.
No. But does our offspring look similar? Yeah, they have many things that are like our parents, but not completely identical, right? Okay, so when we're doing science observations, do we ever just make one observation about one animal or plant or object?
No.
No, we have to make many observations. Whenever we're doing our investigations, don't we make many different observations? Yeah, we make lots of observations. So here's one. Here's one offspring, right? So we better look up another offspring. Let's look up a different offspring and see if that's similar too, okay? So let's look up. I will show you another offspring of our mom and dad cat. And we'll see if that holds true as well. So here is another Himalayan cat. Here's another girl. Here's another
Oh, wow.
offspring of this. Sorry, my keyboard decided to pop up. Of these parents.
Hmm.
What's something that you notice about this cat?
Shorter hair, but
Oh boy, come on. Sorry.
shorter than dad, but longer than mom. Hair.
Okay, so this one has a hair length that's somewhere in between these two, right? Okay. Anything else?
Colors reversed. It's mostly white like dad
Yeah.
and dark like mom on the feet and tail.
Yeah. So colors of both, but kind of reversed, right? Like. Okay. Anything else?
Pointed ears.
And we still have those pointed triangle ears that we've seen in all of our cat offspring, right?
Still have blue eyes.
Still has blue eyes.
Kind of has a crabby face.
Kind of has that smashed
It
in
has a-
crabby face that we
yeah.
noticed on
More like
dad,
Yeah.
offspring. I mean, parent.
Yes.
Good. Anything else you want to notice?
Very bushy tail.
Very bushy, fluffy tail. Like which one of our parents?
Dad.
Like dad. Dad's got the fluffy tail. Good. So would you agree that this offspring is also similar to their cat parents?
Yes.
Yeah. So there's another observation. Well, we've done two. I bet we better do one more to make sure, huh? So let's look at one more cat offspring. As soon as mine decides to load.
Oh,
What do you notice about this offspring?
Blue eyes.
Bright blue eyes. Do we have that in our parents?
Yes.
Yes, we do. What else do you notice?
3 colors.
3 colors, what do you mean 3 colors?
See dark brown or black,
Uh-huh,
and brown,
uh-huh.
and white.
Okay. Do we see those colors in our cat parents?
Yes.
Do we see brown, white, and the other?
Together, the two together.
Uh-huh.
But Mom doesn't have white, and Dad doesn't have brown.
Oh yeah. So
But together, they've got all three.
can we say that we just kind of mixed all the colors together and it came out in this cat?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we see the colors in our parents, not just in one, but in both together, right? But we see them in our parents. So that can happen. Sometimes an offspring will pick up, a trait of one parent, and sometimes it will pick up the trait of a mix of the two, right? We'll pick up a little bit of each and kind of mix it together. We're observing that, right? Anything else you observe about this offspring?
Pointed ears.
Okay, those pointed triangle ears that we're seeing in all of our cats, parents, and offsprings,
Long hair.
and long hair.
Crabby face.
And you see that it has the kind of smushy face again. Okay, so would you agree that this offspring is similar to those parent cats in the way it looks? Would you agree that it's similar and not identical?
Yes.
Good. So we've seen 3 different offspring cats, right? Would you think we can agree that that the offspring are all similar in these animals? Good. So we've done quite a few observations this time, and we've looked at ourselves and we've seen how we are similar to our parents, right? We as offspring, and we've seen how these cats are also similar to their parents, right? Good. I'm going to let you use your imaginations today, and I'm going to let you draw a little bit. So you are going to create your own parent-offspring photos. You can use any animals you want. You can use cats if you want to, or you can use dogs, you can use horses, you can use pigs, whatever your heart's desire, you can draw the animals that you wish. But I'm going to ask that you show me that you understand how the offspring are similar, right? So if I have a white dog and a yellow dog, am I going to have a purple, pink, and polka dotted offspring?
No.
No, that's not going to happen. Is that similar? Purple, pink, and polka dotted, is that similar
No.
to a yellow dog? No.
That's different.
Okay, that's very different. That's not even just a little different, right? Right, so show me that you understand. You get to pick your animal parents and draw them, and then draw me a picture of an offspring that could be from that animal parent. Okay? Thumbs up if you understand. We're good to go? Okay, thank you class. You may get your colored pencils and crayons and get started.